Here we come, yo. Here we go.
What's going on
Here
now?
we come, yo.
What's
Here we
going
go.
on now?
Here we go.
What's going on
Here
now?
we come, yo. Here we go. Bust the rhymes. Here we go. Flip mode. Here we go. Neptune. Here we go. Once again. Here we go.
Come on, guess who's back in town? Chickens get on the dance floor. From Mount Brown with a brand new sound. So let me wanna give me the roll on the ground, come on, roll up then stay steaming the brown. The way we come in your town, see we control the board now. Give me your crown. Talk that to me, girl. For me, cold so they make a flip for me. And how I make a split for me. See how we making you black if the party that we DJ bring it back. I'm saying, all over the track, man. Pardon me, as I come back. All over the track, man. Pardon me, as I come back. All over the track, man. Pardon me, as I come back. All over the track, man. Pardon me, as I come back. What we gonna do in 2002, even though we having fun in 2001.
Yeah. Check it out. See, the only thing we need to do right here is start your freaking yeah. Yeah. Break your freaking neck, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go now. Where we going now? Where we going now? Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Just give it away. Yeah, here we go now. Tell me what you really wanna do. Come here, man. Talk to me, talk to me. You look like you can really give it to us. I know when you're talking, the way you try to walk for me, the way you really try to put it on the guard. Doing it like I never did before for me, the way you break your back and I break your neck, and the way you try to put it on the floor for me. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, tell me the message to that. Okay, let me bless y'all this one time when I lock it down and I hit you with that. That bombs. Y'all just know all day we be making it drop. Y'all just know every time we come through this motherfucker, we always taking a rock. So let me blow this. Y'all know when we come, we be making it drop. Making it hot, making up the one. Get money and cash that check for me. All my people just bust your check for me. Everybody from every club, bang your head till you break your motherfucking neck for me.
Just let me give you real sweet to rock it, yo. When we clap your seat, we want this heat keep bouncing up and down the street.
So now go ahead and break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, bang your head until you start to break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come along now, let's put it down, boy. When I bounce back and you know I done caught my breath, y'all just all know how we do when the way we bang this in the head and we do it to death. Reach for them back, boy, the fire, boy, the bass in the house. I know you love the way we be giving you the music, making good sounds. Up just a little from us every time we come through and know that we did it for y'all. And the way we do it for the people that know that we always give it to y'all. I said bounce, come on. In the daytime or the night when you keep on alone and just bang this in the truck while you break your nigga, my flow. So the way we come right through, when we come right through, we always blowing the spot again and again to make it just really wanna stop. Better tell your crew, your peeps, so you better put their troops on. And gotta up your soldiers, you know you better keep your boots on. All my people in the place, yo, wave your hands high now. And the way we put it down, make it just wonder what he really gonna try now. What you really wanna do, just place it and put your money where your mouth is. On my to the street, just break your neck and keep on bouncing.
You want to ram with me?
What you saying now, you suck at?
I will break your neck, you mean face man.
Here we go now, and you know every time bust a bust me, when the 4 months start, I'll be jumping it down, I'm really put it on, coming through like a steamroller, me and Drex, ain't no effing around, come on. Yeah, what up, me and my team got a link, cause you know we stay chopping it up, and when we get up in the club, all of us go to the bar, and we hacking it up, and we get a little high, we get a little drunk, and we get a little drunk, come on. Let me get some shit that make you wanna bang this out your trunk, come on. Get money, get cash, that check for me, all my sisters, bust your check for me, everybody from every hood, bang your head, till you break your motherfucking neck for me.
Just let me give you real sweet to rock it, yo. When we glad you'll see. Rewind this heat, keep bouncing up and down this street.
So now go ahead and break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, break your neck. Come on, bang your head until you start to break your neck. Come on, break your neck.